Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to reset or restart your game in survivor.io. So first I want you to head inside the game and then click the hamburger icon that you can see in the top left corner of the screen. After clicking this, you need to click the settings and then head to the account tab. Inside the account tab, you will see the feedback button. So before doing this, I want you to copy your player ID and also provide a screenshot of your home screen and also the settings, which is this. Then let's head back to our account tab and then click the feedback button. Then click the save issues and click the I want to start a new game. So as you can see here, it is instructed that if we want to reset our account, we just need to contact the support. So let's head again there to contact us. And then here you need to detail out every single detail why you want to restart or reset your survivor.io account using the home screen and settings screenshot that we had earlier, and also the copied ID or user ID of your game. And basically that's it. You just need to submit this report or issue, and that's how you can restart or reset your survivor.io account. And thank you for listening.